Assalamu alaikum and welcome to another video. Today's video is all about PR. I know lots of small businesses really struggle कि क्या हमें PR भेजनी चाहिए, what is PR, किसको भेजें, कैसे भेजें, and today I'm going to answer all your questions. In my 2 years as an online content creator and on Instagram, I have learned a lot about PR. मैंने बहुत सा कुछ एक्सपीरियंसेस सीखा है, मैंने बहुत सा कुछ कोर्सेज करके सीखा है या रिसर्च करके सीखा है, एंड आई एम टू शेयर ऑल माई knowledge with you guys. Now the first thing is, what is PR? PR is the short form for public relations, and this is a very vast term, but generally when small brands talk about PR, what they mean is a PR package. What is a PR package? A PR package is basically one or more of your products that you send usually to bloggers and celebrities, and what that does is it gives you brand recognition, यानी कि उनके followers को आपके brand के बारे में पता चलता है, और अगर आपकी कोई नई launch है तो it can drive sales for that product. So should you send PR? That's the first question, and my answer would always be yes, do send PR, simply because influencer marketing is the easiest and cheapest way to market your product. अगर आप एक small business हैं, आप billboard पे ad नहीं लगा सकते, आप TV commercial नहीं बनवा सकते, those things are very expensive. अखबारों की readership इतनी कम हो गई है कि अखबार का इश्तिहार उतना effective नहीं होता, but as compared to if you're promoting something on Instagram, on Facebook, on any social media platform where someone has a big following and they can influence purchasing decisions of their followers, then that's a very good and cheap way to promote your product. I will leave some links down below also for you to read more on influencer marketing and how that can help your brand. So once you've decided कि मुझे अपने brand को market करना है, you have to set aside a certain budget for PR, because you have to remember that nothing in a business comes free and marketing की हमेशा एक cost होती है. So you have to identify कि how much can I spend on these PR packages. It can be a very small amount, 5,000 rupees, 10,000. Bigger brands spend lakhs and lakhs on PR packages. That really depends on how much you're willing to budget for marketing. Once you've decided on your budget, the next step is to identify the people जिनको आपने PR भेजनी है. And this is where things become tricky. The most important thing is कि जिनको आप PR भेजें उनके followers ऐसे हों जो आपके product में interested हों. For example, अगर आपके पास एक clothing brand है जो बच्चों के कपड़े बनाता है और आप दो bloggers में से choose करना है, एक है who's a 20-year-old fashion designer और दूसरी है who's a 40-year-old mom of 2 girls. There's a very good chance that the mom of 2 girls, if she posts parenting content, if she posts mommy content, then she has a lot of followers who are moms who look up to her and who follow her advice when it comes to parenting. And whereas the 20-year-old might have a lot of younger followers who will not have kids. तो ultimately आपके brand के फ़ायदे में ये है कि आप उन blogger के पास जाएं जो आपकी niche में है, which in your case hypothetically would be a mommy blogger. Now once you've identified your niche, if it's a mommy brand then mommy bloggers, if it's a fashion brand then fashion bloggers, if it's a travel brand then travel blogger, and sometimes all these things do intersect. Some mom bloggers also talk about fashion, some fashion bloggers talk about lifestyle and travel. So there are overlaps of course, but don't choose a food blogger and send them a book to review, because that might not be their target audience. If you have a book to review, send it to a book review page or someone who, a blogger who talks about books a lot. Now the next step is to identify कि इस niche में हमने किन bloggers को target करना है, and this is where it gets even trickier, because followers are not everything. The keyword that you have to look for is engagement. Engagement आसान ज़ुबान में is the number of people जो किसी की पोस्ट पे कमेंट करते हैं, लाइक करते हैं, शेयर करते हैं, उनको मैसेज करते हैं पोस्ट देख के. So ये सारे metrics मिला के engagement rate बनते हैं. Now sometimes you will notice that a blogger has 600,000 followers और उनके 400-500 likes आ रहे होते हैं, and then someone else will have 40,000 followers but 4,000-5,000 likes on each post. So who would you choose between the two to send your PR package? The person with more likes and more comments, because what that tells you about this person is कि इनकी जो following है, इनके content को actually देखती है, उस पर गौर करती है, उसमें इंटरेस्टेड है और उसके साथ इंगेज करती है. Whereas the person with 6,000 followers, there could be a few possibilities. One is that they bought those followers, तो वो या तो फेक अकाउंट्स हैं या irrelevant followers हैं, या फिर ये कि वो एक ज़माने में तो बड़ा relevant पेज था और उसको लोग बड़ा फॉलो करते थे, बट अब उन लोगों ने अनफॉलो नहीं किया, but they really don't care about this blogger that much. So when it comes to sending PR, always look for high engagement and never high followers. Now I also run a small business, so I know that this happens a lot कि bloggers आपको मैसेज करते हैं कि हमें प्लीज़ अपनी PR भेज दें, एंड मैं वैसे ही फॉर रिसर्च पर्पजेज हमेशा उनकी प्रोफाइल खोल के देखती हूँ कि अच्छा ये कौन है. एंड वन थिंग आई हैव नोटिस्ड इज दैट always they have very low engagement. Any blogger with good engagement will be getting so many PR requests कि उनके पास टाइम ही नहीं होगा कि वो ब्रांड्स को खुद मैसेज करें send PR. So as a rule, make it a rule, never send PR to someone who messages you to ask for it. If they want to support your business, they can buy the products. Most probably they don't want to support it, they just want free things. I would recommend to start with make a list of 10 bloggers कि ये हमारी niche में है, इनकी engagement अच्छी है. 10 ब्लॉगर्स की लिस्ट बनाएं और उनको फॉलो करें, और उनको फॉलो करें 1 महीने, 2 महीने, 3 महीने के लिए, एंड नोटिस अ पैटर्न. डज दिस पर्सन पोस्ट अ लॉट ऑफ PR स्टोरीज? आर देयर PR स्टोरीज इंटरेस्टिंग फॉर मी? बिकॉज थिंक ऑफ योर सेल्फ एज अ कंज्यूमर एज वेल, राइट? सो ऑलवेज फॉलो अ ब्लॉगर फॉर 2-3 months टू मेक अप योर माइंड कि इज दिस पर्सन द राइट फिट फॉर मी. नाउ फ्रॉम अ लिस्ट ऑफ 10 ब्लॉगर्स मे बी 2-3 हो जो आपको पसंद ना आए, कि आपको लगे कि वो स्टोरीज पे एडिक्वेटली कवर नहीं करते प्रोडक्ट को, या दे आर अनबॉक्सिंग टू मेनी PR स्टोरीज इन वन गो, एंड दे आर डूइंग इट इन अ बोरिंग मैनर, दे आर नॉट प्रेजेंटिंग द प्रोडक्ट्स वेल. इट कैन बी many things. But so your list will go down from 10 to maybe 6 or 7. Then you approach these 6 or 7 bloggers, and remember, please ईमेल देम. हर ब्लॉगर की प्रोफाइल में अगर उनके कोई मैनेजर हैं तो उनका ये तो नंबर होगा, या सोशल मीडिया लिंक होगी, या ईमेल एड्रेस होगा. डोंट DM अ ब्लॉगर. द रीज़न इज़ कि आपने रात को 9 बजे DM किया है, उन्होंने सुबह 10 बजे देखा है, पिछले 13 घंटे में उनको 100 से ऊपर और मैसेजेस आ गए. योर मैसेज वुड गेट ड्राउन्ड एंड दे वुड प्रॉबली नॉट इवन सी इट. सो सेंड एन ईमेल. Now, when you are sending an email, I will try to insert pictures of badly written emails and good emails. Email is one where you introduce yourself. अपने subject में अपने brand का नाम लिखें और PR ज़रूर लिखें, so that when they open the email they know कि ये PR की बात हो रही है. In the first paragraph, introduce yourself. अपने brand का link ज़रूर डालें पहले paragraph में ही. उसके बाद आप उस ईमेल में आपने जो भी PR पैकेज भेजना है उसकी पिक्चर भेज दें, या तो उनको ऑप्शंस भेज दें कि ये 1-2 चीज़ें हैं, इनमें से आप चूज़ कर लें. Then the blogger will get back to you. Everyone has their own time to respond. ईमेल में अपनी ग्रामर करेक्ट रखें. ईमेल में कोई अनप्रोफेशनल लैंग्वेज मत यूज़ करें. ईमेल को अच्छी तरह से स्टार्ट करें. यू कैन जस्ट गो ऑन गूगल एंड राइट how to write a professional email, get a sample and use that as a standard template. Now remember, every blogger that you email will not accept your PR. This may be because they don't have time, it may be because they don't resonate with your brand, it may be because they're not interested in your product, or because they're working with a competing brand and they can't accept your PR. In all those cases, that's okay. Move on to the next blogger. Sometimes people will say, oh, is my product bad? No, just because someone is not accepting your product does not mean your product is bad. It just means it's not a good fit for them, and that's completely okay. Don't let this demotivate you. Then when a blogger responds by saying, yes, I would like to accept your PR, at that point I personally always send out our PR policy as well कि हमारी ये पॉलिसी है, हम इस तरह से प्रोडक्ट को कवर करेंगे, हम इतनी कवरेज देंगे. Some bloggers may not do this. If they don't send you their terms and conditions, then in the next email you send them your expectations. So for example, if you expect them to do a picture or video post, write that clearly in your email. If you expect them to unbox within a certain period, say 2 to 3 weeks, write that clearly in your email. Every blogger is different and every brand's expectations are different, so it's always important to have everything written in. The blogger's PR policy makes sense to you, and if they agree to your expectations, then finally you have a PR contract ready, and then ask for their address, contact details, and ship out the PR. When you send out PR, always get a tracking code so that you are able to tell कि इनको मिला है या नहीं. So it's important for you to know कि ये पैकेज इन तक पहुंचा भी है या नहीं. Once the package has been received, don't message them the very next day कि please when will you unbox. If the date had already been communicated कि ठीक है 3 हफ्ते के अंदर हम unbox करेंगे, wait for those 3 weeks. अगर 3 हफ्ते का पीरियड गुजर जाता है and they still don't unbox, then send them a reminder. I would say also कि reminder email पे भेजें because messages drown out हो जाते हैं. If you have their number and you're okay to text them, you can also text them. Hopefully then when the blogger unboxes your PR package, they wear your product, if you send them a wall painting, they they put it up, that will drive a lot of followers to your page. More people will come to know about your business and that will help your business grow. एंड इफ़ यू बेनिफिट फ्रॉम दैट, अक्सर लोग रिपीट PR भेजते हैं, तो एक दफ़ा भेजते हैं उनको फ़ायदा होता है, वो 6 महीने बाद दोबारा कुछ भेजना चाहते हैं. एंड एट द सेम टाइम यू कैन ऑल्सो एक्सपैंड एंड लुक फॉर अदर ब्लॉगर्स इन द सेम नीश एंड रिपीट द प्रोसेस ओवर एंड ओवर. आई होप दिस ऑल मेड सेंस. आई वॉज टॉकिंग रियली फास्ट ताकि मैं जल्दी जल्दी सब कुछ कवर कर लूँ. इफ़ यू हैव एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस PR related, small business related, leave them in the comments down below. And if you have any video suggestions, also leave them in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.